Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning about how the part 3 of file dialog. So basically, what we're trying to do is how do you put this file into how do you say that? Yeah, let's say I have a file. Now we have hi. So I'm putting this in write mode instead of read mode this time. So it's going to overlap. So hi. So this hi, whenever I open my file over here, right, and I go on names, it has to show hi. So how does it do that? Basically, let's get to the function, okay? Because the function is the most important part. Ask open file name. You already know what this means. Title open a file. File types text file start.txt, meaning it collects all the data from the file and put it into the multi-line text box. But what we're doing is something different. I go into my actual file, see the name in the notepad, it shows it different. So file equals to open file path in write mode, content file dot write mode high. So meaning it's gonna overlap. X dot insert tk dot end content. Okay? So here. If we go to the downloads, hmm, should come names txt. Okay, where is it? Yeah, I think we have to run again, right? Open the file. Oh, yeah, here's names. Okay. So if you now let's go to our file. So if we go names, see, it's saying hi here. But oh, when we went to Tawny, it's in write mode and saying hi. Now let's get back to Notepad. Let's get back to this file. In the Notepad, it's saying hi. Right? It's saying what? It's saying hi over here. Meaning the data from the notepad is when we put it on write mode and we write something else, that thing is actually overlapping. The data before, now we're putting this new data, and this thing is basically overlapping. Now that's why it's here. It's printing hi. Well, let me show you another example. Mm, After. What is it? Names? Okay, here. So, if we go to names, see it's writing Afner. See that? And now you're asking Afner, when I run the code, right? Go to name. No, what am I doing? Yeah, go to names. Why is it printing 5? Not 2, not 100, not 1. Because I have 5 letters in my name. You saw before hi, it said 2 because it has 2 letters in hi. That's why it's printing 5 and 2. I'll show you another example. Like, how do you say that? Yeah, little Timmy. Let's say, for example, if I run it, open file, where's today's name? Yeah, name. See, it's writing 12 because it has 12 letters in little Timmy. So if I go back, names, see, it's writing little Timmy. See that? So thank everyone for listening about my video about the file dialog, about how to get this new data into the old data using write mode. Feel free to have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.